So another day on the build. Got the front wall, which is going to have the windows in, so you can see I'm starting to lay out the wood. I've got a few more pieces to cut because I made some mistakes, and then I'll just nail all this together, put the ply on, and then get this half of the wall up. I'm doing it in two sections, so I'm going to be doing the portion of the wall with the windows, and then once that's up, I'm going to move over and do the portion of the wall with the front doors. I've already made this. So this is my lintel for the door. It's two 2x4s. And I've basically screwed them together with Coach bolts. And that is absolutely solid. That's going to basically go roughly there, and that should give plenty of support for the roof joists at that area. There will also be another 2x4. There will be 3 2x4s in total, all kind of stitched together. It's quite heavy, but that's going to be really, really strong for the top of the door. It's a 2-meter span, and hopefully that will be enough to support the joist. So I'll just run you through how I'm framing this window. So this is the edge of the wall. That's going to be right up against the corner. There's already 2 full-length timbers there supporting the roof, so this is going to be the third. I've got a full length here. I then got the side plate for the window. The window's going to sit in here. I've got another side plate, and then I've got 2 further full lengths to take the weight of the roof. I've got the base plate for the window, and I've got 1, 2, 3 supports for that. And then there's the top plate, and there will be another timber in there because there's probably going to be a joist sitting on top there. So yeah, that's how I'm doing my windows. So let's get cracking. So I'm just putting these blocks on the edge of the base, so that when I lift this up, it doesn't fall off. I think I need another one. There you go. A length of ply, so that there's the right space as well. Then I can just take the ply and just whip that out and then put the ply on. So the other walls, I put the ply on before erecting them. This one, I'm going to erect it first and then put the ply on. So a few things I need to do in preparation to lift this is make sure I've got a means of securing it when it's up. So I'm going to get it up, and then I'm going to screw it into here. So if I get the screws in ready, and then I'll put that there in that gap, and then we should be ready to go. Which is the middle? This is the middle. I think I need to give it a bash 2. And we're up. Just going to temporarily fix this here. Just so it doesn't go anywhere. Let's get this braced. Where's all my braces gone? I could have sworn I had braces. Yeah, I'll do it through the window. That's gonna be fine. I hope that's okay. Please don't be broken. Oh, it's fine. There we go. Boom, bang on. Excellent. Woo! And now we have a front wall ready for windows. That's good. So now I've got this wall up. It's nice and steady. I'm going to get the door up now, so the wall that's going to support the door. This should be so much more straightforward than this one. I've got my plans on the wall, and I'll just go by those. So I'm just using the noggin that I'm going to eventually use here as the spacer for the top and bottom to make sure that it's perfectly where it needs to be. Thanks, honey. Yeah. Really thirsty. Wall's up now. Got a front wall with my window gaps all measured out. I've got my front door. All I'm going to do today is just cut the base frame out for the door, both sides, that'll come out, and then I need to do some cutting. I need to cut the joists, get the joists on, but I think that's a job for tomorrow, so catch you tomorrow.